A really great pair of shoes can have two qualities: be super comfortable and fashion forward. But most of the time, you're dishing out the big bucks to wear them. To save money without compromising on quality, you just gotta know where to look. And if you're in the market for a new pair of shoes, Dream Pairs is your one-stop shop. These shoe gurus have it all, from sophisticated runway-inspired fashion to practical everyday wear. Men, women, and even kiddos can step into dreamy comfort without breaking the bank. For the ladies, these comfy and casual fashion sneakers will catch everyone's eye. They feature a trendy thick sole for leg-lengthening chic, a unique lug outsole for fashion-forward flair, premium woven materials, and more to make these your new favorite everyday shoes. If you're in the NYC area, stop by their store location in the Bay Plaza Shopping Center in the Bronx and check out their styles. Or visit the Dream Pairs website to shop online at dreampairsshoes.com. Step into your dreams with comfort, confidence, and flair wherever life takes you with Dream Pairs.